Motorcycles for beginners, the ultimate guide. Honda Grom. The Honda Grom is a small but mighty motorcycle that has captured the hearts of beginner riders, city commuters, and even seasoned enthusiasts who love its playful nature. With its lightweight design, approachable engine, and fun-to-ride demeanor, the Honda Grom is an excellent choice for newcomers to motorcycling. Its compact size and nimble handling make it perfect for those just starting their riding journey. Engine and performance. The Honda Grom is powered by a 124.9 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, producing around 9.7 horsepower and 10.0 Newton-meters of torque. While it's not a high-performance powerhouse, the Grom's power is more than enough for new riders to develop their skills and confidence. The engine delivers a smooth and predictable power delivery, making it easy to control, whether you're riding around the city or on more open roads. The 5-speed transmission offers an enjoyable shift pattern, allowing beginners to learn the basics of gear transitions without feeling overwhelmed. The Grom's lightweight and low seat height also make it easy to handle, offering a stable ride even at slower speeds or while maneuvering in tight spaces. Comfort and ergonomics. One of the standout features of the Honda Grom is its manageable size and lightweight build. Weighing just 103 kilograms, 226 pounds, with a seat height of 765 millimeters, 30.1 inches, the Grom is incredibly easy for new riders to balance, even when stopped. The compact frame and low center of gravity allow for quick handling and effortless turns, making it an excellent motorcycle for beginners who are still getting accustomed to handling a bike. Despite its small size, the Grom offers an upright riding position, giving riders a comfortable and relaxed experience. Its small but sturdy frame means that it's fun to navigate through urban environments, crowded streets, and tight corners. The Grom's agility makes it ideal for those who need a motorcycle to zip through traffic or practice maneuvering at slow speeds. Features and technology. The Honda Grom is packed with several modern features that enhance both its usability and safety for beginners. Compact digital display. The instrument cluster offers essential information, including speed, fuel level, trip meters, and a gear indicator, all presented in a straightforward digital format. LED lighting. The Grom is equipped with LED headlights and taillights, ensuring better visibility and a modern touch. Fuel efficiency. With its small engine, the Grom offers impressive fuel efficiency, allowing for longer rides with fewer stops to refuel. Why it's perfect for beginners. The Honda Grom is perfect for beginner riders thanks to its approachable size, easy handling, and manageable engine. It's a motorcycle that encourages learning, helping new riders build their confidence without feeling overwhelmed by power or weight. Whether commuting in the city or just learning the ropes of motorcycling, the Grom is a fun, affordable, and practical entry-level bike that delivers a rewarding riding experience.